8 phrases women use when they're crazy about you. Most men miss the signs that a woman is falling for them, not realizing her words are packed with clues. Don't let that happen to you. In this video, we're revealing the key phrases women use when they're crazy about you, so you can recognize them early and know exactly how she feels. 1. I've never met anyone like you. When a woman says, "I've never met anyone like you," it's not just a generic compliment. It's a loaded phrase that indicates she's fascinated by you. She's comparing you to every guy she's ever known, and you're coming out on top. This is her way of telling you that you stand out in her mind, and that she's noticed qualities in you that she finds unique, attractive, and even rare. Let's break it down. Maybe she's been on dates with other guys who didn't impress her, or maybe she's just never felt this kind of connection before. When she says something like this, it's because you're not fitting into the typical mold of what she expects from men. It could be your confidence, the way you make her laugh, or how you genuinely listen to her. Whatever it is, you've managed to make an impression, and she's letting you know in a way that says, "You're special to me." Think about it. She's essentially telling you that you're one of a kind, and that's not something women say lightly. When she uses this phrase, it's a strong indicator that she's more than just interested. She's crazy about you. She's already started mentally setting you apart from other guys she's met, and that's a huge step toward building a deeper connection. 2. You're so different from other guys I've dated. This phrase is another version of the first, but it adds an extra layer. She's not just comparing you to other people she knows. She's comparing you to guys she's actually dated. And when a woman says you're different from the guys she's been with in the past, it's a huge compliment. Women often use this phrase when they're realizing that you have qualities they've been looking for but haven't found in their previous relationships. Maybe the guys she dated before were unreliable, selfish, or just didn't click with her the way you do. When she says you're different, what she's really saying is that you're a breath of fresh air, and that she's noticing how much better you make her feel compared to her exes. This is her way of subtly revealing that she sees long-term potential in you. She's essentially telling you that you're the kind of guy she's been searching for, without coming right out and saying, "I want to date you." It's her way of testing the waters while letting you know that you're already standing out in her mind as someone worth keeping around. 3. You always make me feel so comfortable. When a woman tells you that you make her feel comfortable, it's one of the biggest signs that she's crazy about you, because comfort leads to trust, and trust leads to deeper feelings. Women are naturally drawn to men who make them feel safe, secure, and understood. When she says this, she's not just talking about physical comfort. She's talking about emotional comfort too. This phrase means that you've managed to create an environment where she feels like she can be herself around you. She doesn't have to put on a facade or worry about being judged. She can relax, have fun, and let her guard down when she's with you. And that's incredibly attractive to her. Think about it. The more comfortable a woman feels with you, the more likely she is to open up emotionally and physically. When she says, "I feel so comfortable with you," it's a signal that she's ready to let you in on a deeper level. This is one of those key phrases that shows she's starting to develop real feelings for you, and it's a strong indicator that she's falling hard. 4. I was thinking about you earlier. If a woman ever tells you that she was thinking about you, especially out of the blue, it's a clear sign that you've been on her mind, and not just in a casual way. When a girl is crazy about you, you're not just someone she talks to when you're together. You're someone she thinks about even when you're apart. Let's say she texts you something like, "I saw something today that reminded me of you," or "I was thinking about you while I was at work." These little statements might seem simple, but they reveal a lot about how often you're on her mind. She's basically telling you that she can't stop thinking about you, even when you're not around. That's a big deal. This phrase is her way of letting you know that you're important to her and that she values the connection you share. If she's thinking about you during her day, it means that her feelings for you are growing, and she's starting to see you as someone who's becoming a bigger part of her life. 5. I feel like I can tell you anything. Emotional intimacy is a key indicator that a woman is falling for you. When she says, "I feel like I can tell you anything," it means she trusts you on a deep level. She feels like you're a safe space for her thoughts and feelings, and that's something she doesn't take lightly. When a woman feels comfortable opening up to you, it's because she trusts that you won't judge her or make her feel vulnerable. She's revealing parts of herself that she might not share with just anyone. This kind of emotional connection is a strong sign that she's invested in you on a deeper level. Think about it. She's telling you that you're someone she can rely on, someone she feels emotionally close to. And when a woman feels that kind of bond with you, it's a strong indicator that her feelings are more than just surface-level attraction. She's seeing you as someone she can be vulnerable with, which is a huge sign that she's crazy about you. 6. You're the only person who gets me. This phrase carries a lot of weight because it's all about connection. When a woman says, "You're the only person who gets me," she's telling you that you understand her in ways other people don't. This is a powerful compliment. because it means she feels like you truly see her for who she is, and that makes her feel deeply connected to you. Maybe you've had conversations where she opens up about her dreams, fears, or the things that make her tick, and she feels like you're the only one who really understands her perspective. When she says this, it's because you've made her feel seen, valued, and understood in a way that other people haven't. This kind of emotional connection is a big deal, especially when it comes to building a deeper relationship. If she feels like you get her, it's because she's crazy about you, and she's starting to see you as someone who could be a significant part of her life. It's her way of saying that you're more than just another guy. She sees you as someone truly special. 7. I wish we could hang out more often. When a woman expresses a desire to spend more time with you, it's a clear sign that she's craving more of your presence. If she says something like, I wish we could hang out more often, or I wish we had more time together, she's not just being polite. She genuinely wants to be around you more. This is her way of saying that she enjoys your company so much that she wants to see you as often as possible. It's a sign that she's starting to miss you when you're not around, and that she's not getting enough of you. When a woman feels this way, it's because she's emotionally and possibly physically attracted to you, and she's hoping you feel the same. If she's trying to find more ways to spend time with you, it's a sure sign that she's crazy about you. She's not just content with the time you already spend together. She wants more of it, and that's because she's developing real feelings for you. 8. I love spending time with you. This phrase might seem simple, but when a woman says it, it's packed with meaning. When she tells you, I love spending time with you, she's not just talking about enjoying your company. She's revealing that being around you makes her genuinely happy, and that she's crazy about you. When she says this, she's telling you that you're someone who makes her day better, someone who lifts her mood and makes her feel good about herself. It's her way of saying that she's excited to be with you, and that spending time with you is something she looks forward to. This phrase is a big indicator that she's emotionally invested in you, and that her feelings are growing stronger. When a woman loves spending time with you, it's because she's comfortable, happy, and emotionally connected. She's not just enjoying the moment. She's starting to see you as someone she wants to be around more and more, and that's a clear sign that she's falling for you. So what's next for you? Discover what she asks when testing your feelings for her, or learn what a woman says when she's secretly liked you for a long time. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.